Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we can make English easy and fun. Today we are going to learn 10 smart ways to improve your English, especially designed for grade 8 students with real life examples that you can use every day. So, grab your notebooks and let's begin. There are total 10 smart ways. So, let's improve English. First, listen more and more. The first way to improve your English is by listening more. Watch English movies, which I am also showing in screen, like Harry Potter, or cartoons like Peppa Pig. Listen to short podcasts or songs in English and repeat the lines you hear. The second one is speak daily. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes. Talk in front of the mirror or chat with your friend. Describe your day in English like today we had a science test. It was so easy. Daily practice. Number 3, read English books and articles. Read storybooks or online articles. You can try books like Wonder, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Reading will help you improve your vocabulary and ideas. Number 4, write every day. Write short paragraphs about your day or summaries of what you have read. Like today, I learned about planet Jupiter is the biggest planet. Number 5, learn new words. Learn 5 new words every day. Use them in your own sentences. Example, curious. Make a sentence of curious. I'm curious to know how airplanes fly. Number 6, which is very interesting for you, play language games. Learning is fun when you play using games like word wall, blue kit, spelling challenges with your friend. Playing with your friend will feel you like you are in a competition and you will learn more enthusiastically. Number 7, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions when you don't understand something. Ask your teacher or use Google to search. It is the time of technologies. As it is said, if there is no pain, there is no gain. Number 8, practice grammar. Practice basic grammar. Focus on tenses and compare them. Also learn articles like I go to school present, I went to school past, I will go to school future. So make a table like this. Number 9, use English at home and school. Practice it with your siblings. Use English in daily life. Tell your sibling, let's watch TV. I'll clean the table. May I have that shoes? You should practice all these sentences to learn and be fluent in English. Number 10, be confident and keep trying. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how you learn. Say to yourself, I'm getting. And now I am going to give you the bonus. Here is simply a weekly English plan you can follow. On Monday, you can watch English video like Why Do We Dream? On Tuesday, write a paragraph describing your favorite teacher or anything. On Wednesday, speak about a hobby. I enjoy painting because it relaxes me. On Thursday, learn the new 5 words which you don't know, which is difficult for you, like explore, active, plan, create, focus. On Friday, read a short story from a book or article. On Saturday, play a game in English like word wall, blue kit, or charades. On Sunday, talk in English with someone. Share your week with a friend or parents. Thank you for learning with us. Like, share, and subscribe for more English videos. Comment below which tip will you follow first. Thank you. Please do like.